Pinky Basumatri for her top 11 Q&A.
Welcome, Pinky. Okay. Let's see, Pinky, you have picked the 2024 Miss Universe India, Riya Singha.
Hi, Pinky.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling absolutely great.
Contestants often undergo intense dieting, fitness regimes, and sometimes cosmetic surgery. At what point does the pursuit of Miss Universe standard cross the line from healthy discipline into promoting an unattainable and potentially dangerous beauty standard for young Indian women?
Ma'am, could you repeat the question?
Yes, I can. Contestants often undergo intense dieting, fitness regimes, and sometimes undergo cosmetic surgery. At what point does the pursuit of Miss Universe standard cross the line from being healthy discipline into promoting an unobtainable and potentially dangerous beauty standard for young Indian women?
Did you get that? Okay. Sure. I think the essence of this question was that contestants often undertake difficult diets, they go through cosmetic surgery, and go through a lot, to get to this stage. What is your opinion on the value of that towards reaching your authentic best potential here? Please correct me if I'm wrong, Riya. Is that okay?
No, that's correct.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your beautiful question. As I come from a very small place and an underrepresented community, a girl like me has come in this stage with my authentic self, with my original face. I have never did any diet in my pageant journey. I have never restricted myself to do anything or any cosmetic surgeries. I believe that a true queen is pure with heart, they are relatable, they're someone who inspires the other young girls to become like them. And it's not only about the outer beauty, it's about our inner beauty, the way we can change our society, the way we can give efforts to bring a positive change in our world. That's the real beauty we, Miss Universe India, should have. Thank you.
Thank you, Pinky. Thank you for this response.